and brother. And what makes her feel very special is to know that her family loves her a lot. Lila's favorite subject in school is reading and writing because she loves to write stories and she loves to help her teacher read during reading time. This year, Lila is inspired to be a part of the pageant because her best friend named Pachia is in the pageant and she hopes to one day get a crown like hers when she grows up. One of her favorite things to do is Hmong dance and she loves to perform for her family. Let's give it up for Lila Lemon! Wonderful job, Lila. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling good.
Is it okay if I ask you a few questions today?
Sure.
All right, my question number 1 is, what is your full name?
Lila Baki Lemons.
One more time for the whole crowd to hear you.
Lila Baki Lemons.
That's a beautiful name. And what inspired you to be in this pageant today?
That my friend's in the pageant and I want to be just like her.
And what is your friend's name?
Pachia.
Pachia, are you out there? And what do you love doing the most?
Playing with my friends and playing with my cousins and brother.
Awesome. Are you ready to show everyone your talent today, Lila? All right, let's get the show started. Let's give a round of applause for Lila.
Chia bề giàu chỉ ai cho lâu cho lúa yêu mù bó bó yêu mù sĩ cứ sai con chúa gì đâu nè lọ bê mù yêu mù ba yêu mù lại lê bê ta yêu ba bê chung cho bò yêu mù nói chi bê giàu yêu anh thia tu lu nợ ý xa chỉ hai nhỏ tim ta là nhỏ bị tha